Let's say you're 2 months out from an event, you're managing a ton of detail and you've got rooms to make sure that they're right, travel, communication. But when it comes down to it, what the employees are really coming for is content. And that is what needs to deliver so that they leave feeling like they've learned something. Having worked with Tim for 4 years running now, our employees can say that after every single event. Tim is a guy who gets it, who gets the right questions to ask, who works really well with our team to understand how to deliver what our employees need to hear.
I knew it was important when planning our offsite that people would be inspired and challenged. Bringing Tim in was the perfect fit for that. And there was some laughter, there was some great learnings about leadership, and people are still talking about it today.
We've had the pleasure of having Tim work with a number of executive teams here at the winery over the years, and he's able to create a very high level of engagement, of excitement, to these group of people who have really been there, done that. It's wonderful to have the ability to bring in somebody to our facility with a very high standard that we know is going to create the wow factor.
I've been through a million trainings in my career, and what we found with Tim was it was not only entertaining and engaging, but more importantly, the tools that we learned that day are still in use today at our company.